Friends, I am Vishwanath Tambakesar from Solapur. Today in this video, we are going to learn about language studying. This is very important for 8th, ninth, and 10th standard Maharashtra State Board students. So let us go to the topic. Section 1, Language Study. The language study section is divided into two parts, question 1A and question 1B. In question 1A, you have to do any 4 activities out of 6. It is the set of simple and medium level activities of 8 marks. In question 1B, you are required to attempt any one out of 2 given activities. It is the set of challenging activities of 2 marks. Thus, question 1 carries a total of 10 marks. Now, let us see the question. Question 1A, do as directed, attempt any 4, 8 marks. 1. Complete the following words by using correct letters. In this activity, any 4 words from the course book with 1 blank each will be given. You have to fill the letters in blank to make meaningful words. For examples, ST-RT, its a letter is A, it means start. Second, GREA dash, there will be letter T, it means great, GREAT. Third one, dash MART, there will be yes letter, the letter yes is put there, so it will be smart. And the fourth one, BASK dash T, the letter E will be there, so the answer will be BASKET, basket. Now let us see question 2. Put the following words in alphabetical order. 2 sets of words of 1 mark each will be asked. First set will have 4 words starting with different letters. Arrange them in alphabetical order. Second set will have 4 words starting with same letter. In this set, look at the second, third letter of each word to arrange them alphabetically. Let us see the examples. Visit, candle, person and joy. The first letter is very important for this alphabetical order. Answer will be candle, joy, person and visit. Second, do, disable, difficult and during. Answer will be difficult, disable, do and during. So when the first letter is same, then we shall see the second letter and from there we can put alphabetical correct order. Next, point 3, punctuate the following sentences. In this activity, put proper punctuation marks and also capital letters wherever applicable in the given 2 textual sentences and rewrite them. Now let us see the example. Is that so? Said Mrs. Srivastav. Its answer will be, is that so? Question mark. Said Mrs. M should be capital and after yes there will be full stop. Srivastav, in that word the letter yes will be capital and after all we should put full stop. Second, Meena, let's go for a walk. In this sentence the name Meena, M should be capital and after that Meena, let's apostrophe S will be there. Go for a walk. After walk we should put full stop. Next, point number 4. Make 4 words minimum 3 letters each using the letters in the word granddaughter. In this activity, you have to make 4 meaningful smaller words of at least 3 letters each using letters in the given word. Its answer will be grand, daughter, her and etc. Next, activity number 5. Write the related words as shown in the example. In this activity, students will be asked to write 4 words as shown in the example. They can be noun, verbs, adjectives related to the word given in the middle. Related word for this girl is small, cheerful, talkative, naughty and pretty. Next, activity number 6. Complete the following word chain of verbs, nouns, adjectives. Add 4 words each beginning with last letter of previous letters. In this activity, one noun or verb or adjective will be given. Identify the word and make word chain. Next word begins with last letter of previous word. of the same category. For example, speak. Answer is given there. The last letter will be K. From K we can start next word kill. The last letter is L. From this L we can make next new word laugh. The last letter is H. From H we can make hold. In here the last letter is D. From D we can make new word, it is dance. Now next, in both the sub questions, two difficult activities of 1 mark each will be given. Any one activity in each sub question to be attempted. Question 1b, do as directed. 1. Attempt any one. A. Make meaningful sentences by using the phrase in a flash. In this activity, you are expected to frame a meaningful sentence by using the given phrase. Answer: it was done in a flash. There is option for this sentence. Or B. Add a clause to expand the following sentence meaningfully. You will get success dash dash. In this activity, you are required to add a suitable clause to expand the given sentence meaningfully. Answer of this phrase: you will get success if you work hard. Next, question 1b, do as directed. Point number 2, attempt any one. A. Add a prefix or suffix to make a new words. 1. Complete. 2. Lucky. In this activity, you will be given two words and asked to make new words by adding prefix or suffix. Answer for these two words are complete, incomplete, lucky, unlucky. Or B. Make a meaningful sentence by using any one of the following words. 1. Complete. 2. Lucky. In this activity, you will be given the same words given in the activity A. You are required to attempt any one of the given words. The answer will be you should complete your homework in time. Now let us see some more examples from this language study. It is for 10 marks. Once again I am going to tell you. Question 1a, do as directed, attempt any 4. It is for 8 marks. Out of 6 you have to solve any 4 questions. 1. Complete the words by using correct letters. 1. SH-PE. Its answer is SHAPE, shape. 2. V-ICE. Its answer is voice, VOICE. 3. ORRY. Answer is lorry, LORRY. And the fourth one, FIJ-T. Its answer is FIGST, fight. Next, point number 2. Put the words in alphabetical order. 1. Decide, unity, account and tense. Its answer is given in front of that. Account, decide, tense and unity. Second, paper, pune, punish and punch. The answer is paper, pune, punch and punish. Number 3, punctuate the following sentences. 1. What a piece of work is man, he said. Answer is given in front of that sentence. What a piece of work is man, exclamatory mark, he said, full stop. Second point, give me a piece of paper, he said to Ramesh. Its answer is given alongside. Give me a piece of paper, he said to Ramesh, full stop. Next, activity number 4. Make 4 words, minimum 3 letters, using the letters in the word regulations. Answer: late, gate, one, sun, rain, etc. Activity number 5. Write the related words as shown in the example. The word is given day. For this day, the related words are sunny, bright, night, long and one. Next, activity number 6. Complete the word chain of nouns. Add 4 words, each beginning with the last letter of the previous word. Answer: doctor, rabbit, tiger, rose and elephant. Next activity, question 1b, do as directed. 1. Attempt any one. A. Make meaningful sentences by using the phrase to cut off. Or B. Add a clause to the following sentence to expand it meaningfully. I know a doctor who is my close friend. Friends, this is the question number 1. Don't forget to practice it regularly. Thank you very much.